Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I apologize for doing this in photo booth, but I can't get the OBS to work. I had trouble the other night. I went to San Francisco, went to Social Security, walked up Kearney from Geary, then walked back, then got on the bus, saw my doctor. My doctor is always running late. I don't mind it, but I made a joke with her nurse and her. I said, you could be here at 9 a.m. I could be your second patient. You'd still be 40 minutes to an hour late. Running behind, she laughed. I have some really good news. I've lost enough weight that I can now, she can refer me back to the orthopedic surgeon. It's been a while. And I can get my right kneecap replaced by either the end of the year or the first of the year. So there'll be no more pain in my right knee. And then, of course, I'm going to have the left kneecap replacement. It's not as damaged as the right one. My blood pressure's fine. My cholesterol's fine. I was coughing up stuff because of the grass allergy. They tested me for COVID. Particularly that thing on my nose made me cough up more stuff. I don't have COVID. So I got back here. I missed get off BART. One thing annoys me about County Connection, you get off BART and the buses are not coordinated with BART. As I got out of the BART turnstile and started to walk, there's the 98, it takes off. Then I had to wait for the 14, then I had to take 14 to the 16, get the 16, get off at Safeway, across the street from Safeway, Dutch Brothers, go into Safeway, get my food, walk back, and as I walked back, about a minute later the bus came. But my knee has been killing me now because I walked a lot. So I'm guessing I couldn't find the Social Security. They have a little tiny door, and if you didn't notice it was Social Security inside, you wouldn't know what it was, even though the windows are all available to be seen through. And the guard was very rude. Check your bags. I'm getting my idea. Do we do that later? No, I'll do it now. And it's real. And I said, I don't want you standing next to me. I've had COVID twice. I don't want people around me. Very good. Alright, this is my all video for tonight. I went to Safeway. And I am announced that I am going to stop eating pizza and garlic bread because I gained weight. And the weight I lost recently, I gained it all back. So no more bread, no more bread products, no more. I will tonight have spaghetti or lasagna because they had a sale. There's nothing to eat here. I'm going to rough pizza with garlic bread, bagels, waffles, anything else. There's Fluffy sneezing. Alright, we have the Simply Orange juice. We have a can of pineapple chunks. I'm very late to be tiny when it's 9:24. I would have been there an hour ago if I hadn't missed it, but we have a jar of mild salsa. Mexican restaurant style tortilla chips, and they're not Mexican restaurant style, they're even Mexican restaurant here. Okay, we have, and my area around the bed is torn up. I'm looking for paperwork to give my doctor. I'm also going to arrange to get my back to the allergy clinic, and also I got to go to the pulmonary clinic, get the sleep study done, all between now and the end of the year. Alright, we have stuffed bell peppers.